Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about chain tension in our completion and main gearbox right here. So this oval shaped one is our completion gearbox. How you're going to adjust the chain tension inside of here is loosen off these 6 bolts that go around here. We'll be using a 15mm wrench for this. Once you have them backed off, we'll take the same 15 wrench, put it on the stud, and you're going to be tightening it until you cannot move it anymore. Once it's tight, you will then back off 1 hash mark right here. Once you've gotten it into the correct position, tighten up all of these bolts. Please refer to the technical or operator's manual to find the torque spec for these. All right, so moving on from the completion gearbox, we're going to work on the main gearbox. Step 1, we're going to remove these 4 10mm bolts. Once you remove this, we have already cut this out. There will be a paper gasket inside of here. Our recommendation is to replace this paper gasket. If you absolutely cannot get a replacement, make sure to reseal this so that you don't leak oil out of there. Next, we're going to remove our keeper, and we're going to tension this bolt right here. What you'll need is a inch-pound torque wrench. We recommend a drag style torque wrench. This is a click, but it will also work. We are going to tension this bolt to 22 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. So tighten this down. And then once it's tightened to 22 inch-pounds, you will back it off 3 flats. So 1, 2, 3 from tight, which is about half of a turn. Once you've done this, you'll notice this bolt is still loose by hand. It is by design, otherwise the chain will be too tight and you could damage the bearings inside of the gearbox. Once you got that done, put your keeper back on there. Put a new gasket on there, and then put your cover on and retorque these 10mm bolts to spec per the operator or tech manual that you're looking at. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.